Eco-friendly tips and tricks for cleaning your home. Chemical-based cleaning products have drawbacks. They're pricey, they may trigger health issues, and their manufacture, use and disposal can harm the environment. So, why not consider these effective all-natural cleaning alternatives? Number 1. Use lemon. Lemons are nature's cleaning wunderkind. They have powerful antiseptic and antibacterial properties and are a natural deodorizer due to their high acidic content. Here are some suggestions for how to use lemons in your home. Have your pans lost their shine? Dip half a lemon in salt or baking powder to scour your pans to their former glory. Mix a bit of lemon juice with baking soda to remove stains from plastic containers. Combine lemon peel and white vinegar in a jar, allow to marinate for a few days, then strain out the peel to use the vinegar as a cleaner. A small dish containing vinegar and lemon juice will absorb odors. Rub a slice of lemon across your chopping board to disinfect the surface. Number 2. Use baking soda. Baking soda, like lemon, is another one of nature's cleaners. Also known as sodium bicarbonate, this mildly alkaline substance functions as a gentle abrasive, deodorant and more. A thick paste of baking soda and water can be useful in removing surface rust. A more liquid mixture of baking soda and water can function as an all-purpose light cleaner that's particularly effective on grease. Number 3. Clean your oven. A thick paste of baking soda and water can be applied to the bottom of the oven to clean it. Let it sit for a couple of hours or overnight before scraping it off and wiping the surface. Number 4. Brighten the bowl. Baking soda also is a winner in the bathroom. Throw a cup of baking soda into the toilet bowl and let it sit for more than an hour. Then add a cup of white vinegar, let the mixture sit for a while longer, and flush. And number 5. Safely clean your clothes. Baking soda also is a great addition to your laundry room. When added to your washing machine, it can soften your clothes and remove any unpleasant odors. Have you tried the aforementioned tips and found them effective? Tell us in the comments how effective these tips are. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you should do so now and click on the bell icon to get every newly uploaded video in your inbox. Also, keep sharing and liking our video, helping others to keep their home clean.